What's up guys, you're watching My Next Best, and in this video we've got this GOLF SUPAGS expandable stylish laptop backpack for women. This is airline approved and it's perfect for work, college, travel, casual day pack, and it's a 17.3 inches model, but there are other models as well. The sizes are 15.6 and 14 inches that are also available. So we're going to be opening it up and we'll look at what we have in here. And let me open it up first and then I'll show you which model is that on the phone. Just give you an idea of which one we're looking at the moment. It's available on Amazon as well, so you can obviously browse through the model on the Amazon website. So this is a grey unit, as you can see. This is the greyish model, and not too bad. It's a pretty good sized bag. Looks pretty good. You have the GOLF SUPAG branding over here, as you can see. I think it's hopefully visible. GOLF SUPAGS 17.3 inches. It's got this, obviously, this brand tag, GOLF SUPAGS, and drives hard to ensure every product and all that sort of jazz. So I'm not going to look at that, but let me show you which model, which units are available. This is the GOLF SUPAGS expandable stylish laptop backpack. As you can see, this is exactly the model that we are looking at. Obviously, the color, of course, is different. This is the apricot, black, champagne, navy blue, and there was the Atrober and then pale gray, pinkish gray, and rose purple. Those are the colors that were available. And this one is, I think it was the blue one. Doesn't look blue though. It says a light touch of green, I guess, a mix of green and blue. But I don't see that color option. No, I think we're looking at the apricot version, of course, at the moment. This is 17.3 inches model, of course, $38.99, as you can see. It was also on sale at $29.99 on Amazon Prime sale. And as we move further on, we'd look at, of course, the compartment, the capacity, and stuff like that. And it does have the cutouts available for your carry luggage type thing. And these are the main position to expand to your 19.3 litres to 26.1 litres. The multi-compartment design, as I mentioned, and display and that sort of jazz. So let's have a look at the product itself. So you have, of course, this bag, the layover to sort of help you with your backpack, the luggage handle to stick it onto it, and then it goes along so you don't have to carry it when you're traveling. And it has this as well to sort of help you attach it in the front so the shoulder straps don't come off, basically. And you have a zipper at the back as well, so quite a few sections in here, so not a lot of space, but you can also keep your phones and maybe change and some quick access spec. On the side as well, you have a pretty big space in here. As you can see, it's a pretty big space. So again, for stuff that's most useful, quick access to some of those things that you'd like to have early on in this compartment. And inside, of course, you have a pretty big, pretty sizable space. You have two cutouts, one compartment over here and the other one here for pens and battery banks or whatever stuff, like maybe chargers and things, or lipsticks and nail paints and stuff in there as well for women, of course. I think there are also men's versions available. This one specifically is the women's. And there's another compartment here. And you have another one over here for more stuff in there, whatever you like to put in there. And then comes the other compartment, which is the one where you keep your laptop. This is the one. So this is the extension. So let's firstly look at this part. So you have a pretty nice and soft, supportive, end-to-end protective section where you keep the laptop. So I can surely say that this is definitely for the laptop. So quite a busy one here. And at the bottom, of course, if I'm pressing on it, I can sense that it's got the cushion and that sort of support for the laptop. So if it falls on the floor, bang, it's not gonna damage the laptop. Not that easily, of course. You don't want to throw it from the third level. But you obviously want to have that kind of a bag which can protect the bag immediately on simple drops and things like that. Sometimes these things happen. So this one is the other compartment which I'm interested in showing you. So you need to obviously unlock all that, and this one as well from here. So basically that would help to expand the bag further. Let's just do it. I'm just going to unzip this whole thing around, as you can see, all over. Oops, that's it. So now the bag that we saw is slightly expanded more. It becomes an even thicker, bigger bag. Now, as you can see, it's become a more thick, more expanded, wider bag. which can fit in more stuff in there than what you used to have. So now you can see that more space has now been expanded. And at the bottom as well, there is a pretty sizable space that is now unlocked, as you can see. So this looks a pretty massive bag now. With all that expanded space, you now have access to add much more stuff inside. So I've got, for example, I've got this laptop here. This laptop, right? This laptop here. I'm going to fit it in at the back of this bag. This is a 15.6-inch laptop, so it's kind of smaller for this bag, but there is also the 15.6-inch option as well. It doesn't have a strap though. Normally laptop bags have strap, but it doesn't have. I think it's the absolute fit for 17.3 inches laptop, but this one is obviously 15.6 inches, but it's pretty simple to set it up and put it in there. And if you wanted to have more stuff inside, like your Vanity Studios book, I'm just going to access another bag and I'm just going to put stuff inside. So these are the headsets and stuff, the wires coming off. So your access headsets and stuff inside. I'm just going to push it back in and get these headsets somewhere in one of the compartments. So let's see where it can be. Maybe this way, in here. And then you have your charger and stuff that you can shove in. And then your notepad and your umbrella goes in on this side. So this is a pretty hefty, pretty big section, big compartment. The men's hand brush and a portable mouse. Mouse can be in here, perhaps. And then comes maybe a little power bank that can also be in somewhere. You can shove it in on the sides as well. Somewhere here. You have a few options, right? And then the bag, this whole bag, I'm going to shove it inside this bag to just show you how much space we have in this bag. That was itself a 17.3 inches bag. And now I've got this one inside. As you can see, all zipped up, all inside this one GOLF SUPAGS bag. So now we have a pretty big bag, which has pretty much everything. I'm going to show you now. Look at that. It's a pretty hefty bag. It's got everything inside, pretty much. It is the expanded state, of course, which sort of supports that extra stuff to be inside of this bag. But quite wonderful in regard to what it's capable of. Obviously, it's got all these different compartments, access to a few sections in there that sort of allow you to add more and more inside of this bag. Pretty big, pretty handy, and one of the best ones I think available in the market, especially for women. So that's pretty much it for this video. GOLF SUPAGS that I've mentioned, I will have the link available in the description for this specific unit. As I've shown you, this is the unit that we have. And if you have any questions or queries in regard to this, do let us know. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.